comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give me 2,000 likes to the Legal Garage.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage once again. We're gonna work today on the turn signals. On the last video we worked on the headlights. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the subscriptions. So we're gonna work on the turn signals today. I got something special for that too. We're gonna go LED, of course. Let's go to my parts cabinet. Where are they? Where are they? Here they are. Again, billet bezels, LED. They're already wired, all the good stuff. So we're gonna see what we need to do to get this on the car. As you can see, another nice billet part for my Alumacobra. So we're gonna put them in here. I just need to figure out what I need to do. Probably just 2 holes. Hopefully this thing can fit in there. The connector can fit through that hole. I hate fiberglass dust. I don't wanna do any more dust than I need to. See, I already got a mess over there. So I'm gonna stop the video here so I can figure out what I need to do, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, so I'm lucky the connector does fit through there. This is gonna sit flush. I don't need to make the hole bigger. Just need to figure out what to make the holes for the 2 studs in there. I'm gonna use the gasket I made as a template, so I can have the turn signal nicely centered on this pad, and I'm gonna use the holes of the gasket used to give me an idea of where to start drilling the holes for the bezels. We're gonna start with a smaller bit just to see where we are. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna go one size up on the bit. I wanna make the hole, I want it to be tight. gonna cover my quick jacks. I don't wanna scratch them by mistake. Still looks pretty good. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves. I'm gonna leave oils on my billet parts. I'm gonna go up the next size on the beds. This should be the final one. Hopefully. Dust all over my car. Just need to be opened up a little bit. Oh, mama! Looks like he's gonna chooch. Look at it. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it, guys. Do you want the cheap metals that Factory 5 gives you with the car, or you want this? Leave a comment down below. There's no question on my mind. Okay, let's continue. So I'm gonna put the light inside the bezel, feed it, oh, the gasket, I forgot the gasket. The gasket on the bezel. Feed it through. The only thing I need to do, I was afraid of this. I need to put something in the back because I don't want this to be flopping around. So I got some extra gasket that I'm gonna put so this one is not flopping around. Let me go look for it and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. There is the first turn signal is done. I wonder if I can have J&B Microfinish make me one of these for this. What do you guys think? I think, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, now we gotta do the other one because it's starting to get hot and I don't like to be in the garage when it's hot. Well, that's the last one. I just need the connectors right here. I just need to plug it in. And when it gets darker later tonight, we'll try them out. See how they look. But there it is. The front end lights are done. Next video we'll do the back. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Whether you like it or not, doesn't matter. It helps me either way. Thank you guys. Hold on, I forgot. Once again, link in the description for the grill guards, J&B microfinish, and for all the other stuff you might want. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe, comment, share. This is the illegal garage. Bye. Well, I couldn't wait for night. I was eager to test my headlights and my lights. So these are the parking lights, this switch. And you can see, stupid light. The turn signals, the driving lights are coming on. You gotta turn on that light, turn off that light. It's on a sensor, stupid sensor. So now I'm gonna put the turn signals with the lever in here. That's the left turn signal, right turn signal, back to driving light. These are the high beams. As you can see, the grill is not covering much of the light. It's just letting the light through just fine. Really like it. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you like, comment if you don't like. Thank you, guys.